Coming up, I'm going to share with you 3 simple things that you need to land an Apple feature. Stay tuned. What is up, App Nation? It is your boy Steve P. Young, founder of appmasters.com, the place you go when you want action-packed content in the app business. We are the app marketing agency that's going to help you grow your downloads, growth hack things, and grow your organic downloads as well. But today I want to talk about how we've been able to achieve some success in getting our clients featured by Apple. Over the past 2.5 years, we've done about 26 Apple features. We had 4 different clients get featured by Apple in September of 2018, and then 1 recently in October 2018 as well. So we feel like we've got a pretty good strategy in place to help our clients land those coveted Apple features, because Apple features, as you guys know, they're going to help you grow your organic downloads, because those features will help you make more money at the same time. And heck, it feels great when a company like Apple says our apps are worthy enough of a possible feature. So without further ado, let's get into these 3 dead simple things that you can do to help increase your chances of an Apple feature. Number 1, it's simple, but tell a great story. I had one client who already had a contact at Apple, and he approached me about like 4 days before he was about to launch. I said, dude, it is going to be too hard to get you featured because we don't have that much time left. So I said, launch the app, and if you don't get featured, then come back to me and maybe we can help you out. So he ended up launching the app, didn't get featured, and then came back to me and said, okay, here's how we do this. Spoiler alert, we helped this guy get featured by Apple, but here's the difference between what he did on his own versus what we did. We told a very compelling story. And I'll tell you the example without going into the details of the client because I didn't get his permission. He made a game that had a popular movie theme already into it. So just for example, think Terminator. Maybe he had a Clash of Clans type of game or a fighting game with a bunch of robots fighting each other, right? And so what we did when we reached out to Apple was that first came Terminator, second came Terminator 2, and now comes Clash of the Terminator. We really brought out these movie titles so that Apple can see, look, these are popular themes in popular culture, and now we're incorporated into our game. And that was the subtle difference in telling a good story. And generally what we try to do is always lead with some type of social proof. And that is one way of thinking about it, is leveraging things in pop culture, whether they be movies, songs, or anything else, and leveraging that if you don't already have that social proof. And so one of other client that got featured, he had a popular trainer that's worked with the NFL, the NHL, all these popular sports leagues, and we leveraged that. And that was the first thing we said in the Apple pitch. Number 2, it's simple. Have a video. Have a video. When you fill out the form, appstore.com/promote, there are 3 links in that form, and one of those links that we include for our clients is always a video. Normally, they already have a video created, but even a simple gameplay is all you need. You want to have something that people can quickly see your app, see how the gameplay is, see the designs without having to download it. And video is the best medium to do just that. So definitely have a video. And number 3, the last thing is an Apple specific presentation. Now, we create a presentation for all our clients that really talk up the pitch, the story that we're incorporating, all the different things that Apple wants to see, and we design it beautifully for our clients because we have a great designer on our team to help them really land that Apple feature. And here's the key thing. In those 3 links, one is a video, one could be your website, and the last thing is the link to your presentation because you can't attach it anywhere. So what I normally do is create a bit.ly link, or you can do another unique link on your own domain if you have that. But that bit.ly link will always call out Apple presentation. So for example, if I were pitching and my app was AppMasters, for example, I might say appmasters.com/Apple presentation or bit.ly.com/appmasters-Apple presentation. The reason I like to do this is I like to have the link say something Apple, because if you sent me a link and you said video for Steve, guess what? I'm more likely to click on it if it has my name on it. Or if you have a URL and said, I want to be on stevespodcast.com, I'm more likely to click on that as well because I know it's unique to me. So I try to have a link to this Apple presentation that has the words Apple presentation in that link. And I include that link in one of the 3 links on that form, appstore.com/promote. That's it, guys. 3 simple things to help you land an Apple feature. Number 1, tell a great story. Number 2, include a simple video of your app. If it's a high-end video, great. Go check out my friends at aptiment.com. They'll help you do that, but it could be a simple one as well. And lastly, have an Apple-specific presentation with all the things that they want to see. And if you want a template of the Apple presentation, well, guess what? You can find that on appmastersacademy.com. Like I said, it comes with a 7-day free trial. So if you just want to see the presentation and just want to take that course on how we've been able to land Apple features, you can do that, cancel before your trial is over, and then boom, it's done. You have it. But I'm so stinking confident in the courses that we have under App Masters Academy. And there's also a community aspect of it for those who are taking the app business more seriously. We've built out a mastermind based on the Academy that you can have access to as well. We've got over 80 million downloads collectively, about 80 members in the App Masters Elite Mastermind. So if you're a good fit for it, not everybody can get in. Not all Academy members can get in. But if you fit the mold for the Elite tagline, then go apply and sign up for appmastersacademy.com to find all this Apple-specific presentation. Let me know in the comments if you do get an Apple feature, or just email me, steve@appmasters.co or .com. It goes to the same place. But email me if you do end up getting an Apple feature, and I will see you on the next video. If you want to learn how to fill out that appstore.com/promote form, well, check out the video at the very top. And if you want to see how we've hacked and found App Store managers, well, check out the bottom video right there. Peace out.